Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Emma and I am a first year 5th grade teacher in Tennessee, and today is day 2 of classroom setup. So I just got to school. My mom is coming too. We've packed both of our cars full of stuff. I've got 2 bookshelves and all my books and everything, and a couple things even up here, and so I'm excited to get to work today. It's actually Saturday, but the principal opened the school from 10 to 5 today, so hopefully I can get a lot of good work done. Okay, so my mom just left and I just gave some books to a kindergarten teacher that I'm friends with because I had some like really low level books that I had gotten a while ago when I didn't know what grade I'd be teaching. So I gave those to her in her room, and now I'm headed to get some lunch, and then I'm going to go back and work in my room. And my mom went home, and so I'm going to show you all the stuff that we did. We got a lot done, and so now I think I'm going to work on my library and stuff because that needs a lot of work. So far we put up this bulletin board that y'all saw us do, and it's like the better than paper stuff, which is super nice because I've never seen it, and I just put that border on it. And I'm planning on putting another like fake bulletin board right there and using like a triple border with those two and that, but it's upside down. I tested out the words, but they were too big, just like a little too big, so I think I'm just going to take the sizing down, and then I'm going to put these little stars I got from Michael's all around, put batteries in there. I put stuff in my toolbox. My mom put together the bookshelf back here. It's funny because I just got as many baskets as I could, and turns out I had 18, and so they all perfectly fit right there. So I'm going to do all my baskets in those two, and then just books that don't fit in the baskets in there. And I put my labels on my cart, and that's about it. So I have that, and that full of books. So I'm going to put all the picture books in here, and I think I'm just going to label them by like last name, because if I know the book I'm looking for, I can just look up the last name of the author and pick it out. And this is where I'm planning on having my kidney table, so I can have all that behind me. part of me wants to put my kidney table back there, but I don't want to be next to the bathroom. So I think it's going to be like this. And they also said that we have this whiteboard. They said we're getting another whiteboard here and another whiteboard right there. But I don't know if I want that whiteboard right there because I have a big tapestry coming from Tiff in the middle. So we will see. But I think I'm going to work on organizing some of these books and putting them in there. And yeah, I might put some of that border, like the stars, around that door maybe. And yeah, I'll have to see what else I can do. I think my friend's coming, so I'm going to have her cut out the labels that I made for the book bins, and then I'm going to hole punch them on the side and binder ring them to the bins that say have holes in them. But yeah, I think that's just about all I did. Oh, also I laminated the calendar numbers as y'all saw, so I need to get those cut out too. But yeah, I got Glade plugins to plug in here so it smells good. And yeah, that's about it. So we'll check back in later. Was done and just got everything to fit, and then I see this that's full of more books, so this will be interesting. Okay, so that is all for classroom setup day 2. I'm home now, as y'all can tell. I just kind of gave you overviews again at the end of the day just because my friends were there, and so I kind of showed you how we kind of cleaned up a little bit. They really helped me organize my library. It's like completely organized now, which is good. I just have to get the binder rings so I can put my labels on my bins for my library. I will link those library baskets down below because I've already been getting a ton of questions about them, and I will also link my teacher toolbox down below. It's all on my Amazon storefront, but I can give y'all the direct links just so it's easier. But my mom actually got me a couple things off my Amazon wish list, and they just came, so I thought I would show y'all real quick. So first is this magnet spice rack. So I don't know if y'all have seen, but a lot of people use these on their whiteboards to hold like their whiteboard cleaner or their whiteboard markers or just tons of things. So I got one of these little magnetic spice racks. Next I got a stapler because I didn't have a stapler, and this one says it can staple 40 sheets, and I don't really know if I believe that, but it's like a tiny handheld one, and it's like one of those easy press ones that's always super nice to have. Next, she got me this giant thing of Post-it notes. I use Post-it notes all the time, and I'm going to use them for like a lot of morning writing activities and stuff, and so I got this giant 15 pack of them. Next, I ordered these myself actually. These are command hooks for string lights. So if you see, it's like a command hook like that, and it just has a little tab you pull up and you put the string light through it. And I'll have these linked down below, and they're also on my wish list, or on my Amazon storefront. So I'm gonna hang white string lights in my room, and so I got these for that. And then I need to go grab the last thing that she got me. Okay, the last thing that she got me is one of these magnetic curtain rods. Sorry about my hair. I was in my classroom for 7 hours today. So this is good to put on your whiteboard, and you put little hooks and clamps, and you can clamp your anchor charts to them. So that's what I'm going to be using this for. And then last thing before the video ends, this is the last video I'll have going up before this, but on Monday I'm launching 26 new stickers and 3 t-shirts in my Etsy store. And so as a present for making it all the way through this video, I'm going to show y'all all of those, and y'all will be the first ones to get a sneak peek of them. But let me go get those and I will show y'all. So first are the t-shirts, and I haven't even shown like anyone on Instagram these yet or anything. So these are the Teacher of Tiny Humans t-shirts. We have teal, which is so cute. This one's my favorite. It's like a really pretty light gray. And this one's also super cute, light pink. And so they all say Teacher of Tiny Humans in white on them. They are Bella 100% cotton shirts, and they are so soft. And I will have limited sizes of these, sizes small through 3XL, and they will be launching at 5 p.m. Eastern on my Etsy. My Etsy is made by Emma Kay. I'll be posting about them on my teacher Instagram, Emma in Elementary, and also my Etsy Instagram. So those are the 3 shirts that are launching, and I'm so excited about these. Y'all have been asking for shirts, and people have just been waiting months for these since I started talking about them. So I'm so excited that these are launching on Monday, and now I will show you all the stickers that are launching. Okay, so first I'll show you the like non-teacher and school stickers that are launching. So there's actually 27 stickers total that are launching, but one of them's like a pair that you get. So I'll start with that one. These are a mini potted plant duo, and so these come together and they're tiny and cute. So these 2 potted plants are one of them. Next is a print that I've had, but is Radiate Positivity. Next one is a sticker I used to have, and I don't have it anymore because it's sold out, but it's in a different color. So it says everything's gonna be all right, and it's in like neutral colors, and the font is blue. And next is a sticker I've had before, but a new design. So it says see the good in all things, and it's yellow and pink. And then lastly, these are 2 of my best-selling rainbows. I used to have a ton of like bigger rainbows that would sell, but I changed to mini rainbows, and so these are the 2 mini ones. They're about like 1.2 inches tall, and they're super cute and mini, and they go along with a lot of the other mini stickers that I had. So yeah, all of those will be listed, and now I will show you all of like the teacher school stickers that'll be listed. So these are all still in like bags from the manufacturer, so that's just how I'm going to show you these 13, and then I have 7 others that are already out of the bags that I'll show you. But yeah, these are all made by manufacturer. They're glossy, 100% waterproof. They can be outside for like minimum of 4 years. So first we have Be Kind in sign language. Next we have Shine Bright. Next I have 3 colors of this. So this I had y'all vote on my Instagram, and the votes for these 3 colors were like even, so I just got all 3 colors. So I have a coffee cup that says Teacher Fuel, and I have a pink one, a yellow one, and a teal one. So those are super cute. And then going along with the Teacher Fuel theme, I have a cheetah print like Starbucks-ish cup that has a pink straw, and it just says Teacher Fuel. Next I have another sign language that this one says love. Next I have 2 of the same saying, just different colors. So the saying is, if it doesn't challenge you, it doesn't change you. And so I have these colors. It's more like purpley, blue, green, orange. And then this one that's more like blue, orange, red, and yellow. And these are pretty big, so that's good. Next I have World Changer. These would be cute if you like got them for your class or something. So yeah, that one says World Changer, if it'll focus. Y'all get the gist. There you go, World Changer. Next, to go along with how I have Teacher of Tiny Humans, Teacher of Mid-Sized Humans, Teacher of Teenage Humans, I have Teacher of Exceptional Humans. So it's the exact same design. It's just Teacher of Exceptional Humans. Next, I have just a basic like Learn one. It's blue, and it has a lot of like different layers of the text. And these will all have close-up pictures up on my Instagram soon. I'm taking those tonight, hopefully, if I don't run out of sunlight. Next is a growth mindset one that says mistakes are proof that you are trying. And now these are ones that I got a couple weeks ago. So this one says read, and it is super cute. The read is in teal and it has pink stars, and it's just like a little book in the background. Next is this cute little brain guy that I drew that says strong brains grow with effort, and his little brain, and he's lifting a weight. Next is another one that I had a print of that I turned into a sticker that says you are enough. And it's also got like a pattern in the background of the sticker, just like the print, if y'all have seen the print, but like inside the letters has like a squiggly pattern in it. Next is just a simple black and white one that says don't stop until you're proud. Okay, we've got 3 more. These 2 are the same, just different colors. They are stacks of books, and so I have a blue, orangish, yellow, green stack of books. And I have a pink, blue, teal stack of books that doesn't want to focus. Come on. Does this actually work? Oh, it does work. I've never done this hand thing. But yeah, those are the 2 colors of the books. And then lastly, I have shine with the light bulb. I asked y'all if I should have this shine or shine bright, and the results were like pretty much even. So I have shine bright and shine. So those are all of the stickers and the t-shirts that will be launching. I also am getting a Teacher of Tiny Humans keychain restock sometime next week, but I wouldn't wait to buy the stickers and the t-shirt until that comes back because they're going to be gone super fast. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video of me sitting in my classroom showing you an Amazon wishlist haul and showing you all these stickers. I'll have my Etsy, my wishlist, my storefront, everything linked down below so you can find all of this. My Etsy store is on vacation until the launch, which is Monday, July 20th at 5 p.m. So set your alarms, set your calendars for that because stuff is going to go really fast, and like I didn't get a whole ton of quantity or a whole lot of stickers, like there's not too many, so they will go fast. So definitely set a reminder about that. But thank y'all for watching this video. I'm going back to my classroom on Monday, so hopefully I will have more stuff to film, but right now I'm kind of just like taking a pause on like decorating and stuff because I want to wait for my kidney table and all my desks to come because I just don't know how I'm going to set all of that up, but I'm going to try and get done everything that I can without having to do that. So we will see what I accomplish on Monday, but thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.